And if you're a frequent traveler, you know how important it is to have a travel bag that you can rough it out with. So that is why today I bring you the duffel bag from MEDLER. This wine-colored travel bag is made from premium nylon that can withstand rough handling. The bag has a 55-liter capacity and comes with a total of 5 compartments, one main compartment and one on each side, back and front. It also has smooth rolling wheels with extra side corner guards for added protection. The bag overall is pretty lightweight, so it doesn't add much to the total weight that you're carrying. It's perfect for any and every mode of transport. All in all, this bag has been a perfect companion for me on every trip. I highly recommend it.